Hey there, my name is Eben, and I'm a concept artist and illustrator, and welcome to my Patreon page. So this platform is basically a way for me to provide content directly to you guys on a subscription basis, meaning that every month and even possibly every week, I will be providing new content, posting it here, and you'll be able to go through it and watch it and learn at your own pace. One question I've gotten so far is this just for artists that are learning to create digital art? And the answer to that is no. I'm providing content here that would be useful or interesting to a variety of people, including people that are not artists who just want to see some interesting behind the scenes stuff about my creation process, or to watch time-lapse videos of some of my artworks that I've recorded. But I've also constructed this page with the artist in mind, and especially the beginner artist who's looking to get into digital art and or illustration. So there are a variety of options depending upon your tier level, including downloadable PSDs, tutorial videos, discounts to my store page where there are other tutorials available, as well as discounts to the mentorship program that I offer through my website, feedback videos, and even paint over videos from work that you submit to me. All this is available on a monthly subscription basis, so once you sign up, you not only get access to everything that I've already posted here on the site, but you will also get access to new content I release every time it comes out. So I'm really excited to get going with this, and please, if you have any ideas or questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out either by leaving a comment or reaching out to me at my email or through my website. I'm happy to take any suggestions or ideas into consideration. This platform and my Patreon content is all about you guys and providing what you want to see. So take a minute to check out the different options here, and once again, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the content that I'm sharing with you here. All right, I'll catch you guys later.